Hi guys! Welcome to our Wednesday snippet. Temptation is common to everyone. It hits everyone. No one is exempted. 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 13. Walang pagsubok na dumarating sa inyo na hindi nararanasan ng ibang tao. Ngunit maaasahan natin ang pangako ng Diyos na hindi niya tayo pababayang subukin ang higit pa sa ating makakaya. Kaya kung dumaranas kayo ng mga pagsubok, gagawa siya ng paraan para mapagtagumpayan ninyo ito.
What should you do to counter these attacks from the one who caused you a hard time, the enemy? Recognize your weakness. Malimit na problema ito ng bawat isa. Bata man o matanda ay nahihirapang humindi sa bagay na gusto nila. Hindi lahat ng mabote ay mabuti.
Pray and ask the Lord for strength and directions. Sa oras ng pagsubok, sa pintuan ng langit ay pumutok. Pray is the best way to call for reinforcement. God will send you strength to counter temptations.
Tama! Next, resist temptation. Learn to say no and to stay away from it. Huwag agad sasang-ayon pag sa kalooban ng Diyos ay hindi ayon. Subukan mo ring isipin kung anong tama at mas ikabubuti mo. Your friends may pressure you, your surroundings, but always remember to value yourself. Makabubuti pa ba ito sa akin?
In conclusion, God knows every temptation that comes to us. Not a single piece of it slips by Him. That is why the Lord always gives us a way out.
Everyone, it's a matter of choice. Choose your decision rightfully and wisely. I am Ate Sara.
And I am Kuya Lloyd.
See you next Wednesday. Bye-bye!